you want to explain what we're doing today?
It's a real crazy. A couple of weeks ago I had an idea. Well, I've had the idea for ages, but that I want to have the first ever men's makeup store in the world.
It's not called makeup, it's war paint.
My head just went, no, I'm going to do it. And yeah, within 2 weeks we're looking at a store. So in Carnery Street, look at this. There we are. This yellow one.
Unbelievable.
Look, Mac, mate. Look, 2 doors from there. This is where we probably put the barbers. Yeah. Here. Today, well not final plans, but sign off of the design of the shop. Front here, this is product. So this is the shop. Glass paneling in here. On either here or here, we can have a virtual Q&A. So effectively, you can press a button on the screen and ask me any question about any product, and I'll answer it. Chesterfield sofa here. Cabinets here. This is Natalie, our designer.
Hello.
Hi.
I've got my missus here, who's our interior designer. Spending a fortune. Look at her.
Once you've got the sofa and then video and then this chair.
Nice, but I just don't. I think we're thinking a bit deeper.
This is what you can see here, is us blowing budget after budget after budget to raise some more money.
Come in, you have your hair done, you get a bit of makeup done, like, and then they go off out, do like a little package almost, do you know what I mean? Like,
This bit's going to be cool.
But here, you get bookcases.
So these are 2 little cupboards that pull out.
So that goes there, yeah? Daunting, if I'm honest, the amount of work that I think needs to be done in a short space of time. We get the keys tomorrow, 1st of April, and then we've got launching on the 27th of May, so that's like 7 weeks to get everything done. There's a lot going on. So saying all of that, let's get on with it.
And so we're trying to get plumbing and electrical, all the plumbing's downstairs. We need access, we need the plumbing to come up. For some reason they've filled the floor with concrete, which means we can't, we need to punch a hole into the basement. It's ridiculous.
Oh, I like it. And the stalls are just really over there.
oh!
Let's just wait for
So here, this is the bar that's going in, that Kirsty found. It's a non-alcoholic bar, and it's going to be a focal point for people to sit. We're doing on-site bespoke makeup making. This is going to go next to the imagine that, it's next to a green velvet sofa, and then that, and you have a nice plant. Cool. Do us a deal, Jez. Do us a deal. Thanks, mate.
Initially you mentioned the tiling across.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's
Some nights it's grey, some nights
and then that's
it's green.
tiled.
TBC, but we quite like the effect of this.
Because we always had it white before.
Now these are that colour. This track has changed it.
You kind of try and block out the yellow and look at those together. Gives you an idea of what it will look like.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, it looks nice.
The sign up there
hanger will be grey,
Yeah.
but the sign
black.
is black with your white logo on.
Yeah. We're on a tight budget, so look what I've been doing. Long strokes is the tech. Apparently long strokes, work it into the wall. I'll give it to the expert. Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Honestly, he was like, I can do the bathroom. I've got this, and there's like stroke marks. All I need to know.
So it's an interactive experience, right? So you've got products, and I can say, fire up. Something's not right. First ever in the UK, bespoke makeup making machine. That's going to be in our store. It matches your skin tone perfectly, and we have 2 products, foundation, tint and moisturiser, and then it makes it on site. Hey, here we go. Yeah, there you go. It works. It does work. It does work. The sun's out. We're in central London. My store's there, look. Carnaby Street, hustle and bustle, deliveries. So now we are just going to get some plants for the store. Hello, camera. Hey. I'm starting, today is the first time I'm getting excited about the store. Because it's been quite stressful. Well, not even quite stressful. It is very stressful doing anything because we've got so many different things going on in the store. To get them all ready, it's just hard. Stuff's been finished off, it's incredible, so I'm excited. And now we're gonna go and get some plants, which I love. That looks alright. This is last minute finishing touches. So I can't actually believe it, but after 7 months of literally blood, sweat and tears, we're finally here. The store is 100% done. We're ready to go. We're ready for the launch for the first ever men's makeup and wellness store in the world. I actually can't believe I'm even saying that because this was literally a pipe dream for me. So, would love to show you around the store, but I'm not gonna do it now because you need to come back tomorrow where I'll give you a full tour of the amazing store, everything in it, interactive, content, machines, barbers, everything. I promise to be worth it, so come back tomorrow. Ridiculous.